At 29, Ethan Cole believed hard work was enough to win in America. He was wrong. Ethan grew up in a small town in Ohio, raised by a single mother who worked double shifts just to keep the lights on. He studied at night, worked during the day, and dreamed of building a tech startup that would change his family's future. And he did. His idea worked. Investors noticed. Success was finally knocking. That's when they betrayed him. His business partner, the man Ethan trusted like a brother, forged documents, stole the company, and pushed Ethan out overnight. The board believed the lies. The investors turned away. Within a month, Ethan lost his company, his reputation, and his mother's house. The news called him a failure. His friends disappeared. America forgot him. But Ethan remembered everything. For 2 years, he disappeared from the spotlight. No interviews, no social media, no explanations. People assumed he was broken. They were wrong again. Ethan was rebuilding, quietly. He studied law, learned finance, trained his body and his mind. He worked with competitors his former partner had ignored. He gathered evidence, every email, every signature, every illegal transfer. Revenge didn't make him angry, it made him patient. Then, on a Monday morning, the headlines changed. Tech CEO arrested for fraud and corporate theft. Ethan's former partner was exposed. The company collapsed. Lawsuits poured in, investors panicked. And at the center of it all was one man, calm, silent, unstoppable. Ethan. He didn't celebrate, he didn't smile. He simply walked into a new office, this time as the owner of a stronger, cleaner, more honest company built from the ashes of the old one. When a reporter asked him how he felt about revenge, Ethan answered, "This wasn't revenge. This was justice, delivered by patience." That day, America didn't see a victim anymore. They saw a man who was never meant to lose.